Talk out of your mouth, milk with Reed. Michael Reed. This big blood clot iron face girl, she have to go for kids. If you hear me there, sorry, rub, you don't hear me rub Reed no kids. That dirty woman they can't go fit. Nobody kids, cause she have 7 kids and the whole 7 take away. I got spear me the one there. Go for kids. Hey girl, a kids here, hey, a kids here go for girl. A kids here go for girl. Tell me trap out blood clot kids. Hey girl, hold on now, me just a wake up and me go turn on the light, man.
Look at here, see the person just said she never said, oh, thank you very much. That proves my point right there. Somebody says she say, and the next person says she never say. Puss, you need to listen for your own self when you even do that. That's why I was calling you and trying to tell you to stop. Puss, you gonna listen over Candy, where you say that the woman for people, when you listen to people saying she say something, and she never say that. When you come off, you go on YouTube and listen Candy and hear if the woman say that. Don't follow these people. Puss, these 2 people saying 2 totally different things. Yo, Jesus Christ. Yo, Puss, listen for yourself, please. They are
let me lie down back.
about
Me lie down back and put on my bed.
yes,
I'll put on
listen for yourself
the
first, Puss. Don't follow these mix up germs. Don't follow them. Yo, come on, man. The fuck?
We can't rub a girl and we need to run the kids. Lie. Him not lie. I show him attack. I show the man attack. Sir, go get it and bring, come give me. I lie at the man now, bumbo clock lie. The girl a cockroach, I saw them always cause people kids.
No.
The girl a cockroach, I saw them always cause people kids. The man over here from day one I tell me said down. If me not comment from day one I said down. If they from comment from day one I said finish it, it don't look good. So if you never say so, you don't say so.
Hold on.
No, Auntie, it was towards the gay thing. Basically, you said something about Batty Man, and she said something like, well, I...
Alright, so my niece attack. Can't cut my niece, see there? I can really have evidence for you saying no, my niece. You know that? Camera, hold on. But my niece attack, and my niece that went tell her lie and everything she said.
Listen, and I'm not trying to cause problems. I'm just explaining to her exactly what was said. And obviously, because the boy said she said something, right? So I'm explaining to my auntie what she said. She didn't come after your kids, but what she did say towards I think it was one of your kids was, I don't some about you said something about gay, and she said something like, I don't push out no gay, the only person who push out gay is you. Something about
you know my kids that shit talk. I'm a kid shit talk, but me not push out no gay.
Okay, Candy, this Michael Reed person said
him not lying. You hear me niece? My niece not lying. Him not lying. Him not lying. The man not lying. You hear me niece? She said, oh, she don't push out no gay. Girl, hold on. You don't push out no gay. You push out 7 children. 13 children. I only have 6 of them. And 7 come from the earth. And social worker take away every one of them. And God and muck up and you get back this one. 7 children and all of them take away because you left them. You left them in a camp station. You left them on road. Left them all over and do nothing for them. They are the worklessest woman in the world. And let me tell you something. I'm not gonna even go to the kids level because I don't want to go deep. Understand? So let me just adjust that. You dash out 7 children, and you know a social worker take away everybody. But you know what? We leave that for a different day. Because we can't rub you too much. We know the things them for rub you and burn out your big back blood clot. So we have to touch the kids then. I'm not gonna even go there. But you remember when you're coming out for people, kids, remember you're a dog shit mother. Remember you 7 people a social worker take when you one of your 7 people and deport you. And because the people them are ball for you, social worker bring you back in the country because man nearly kill you at Jamaica. Remember that. And you never adjust that little boy nowadays because you're fully mad and this and that and the man around you. That's where you get this little boy have now. Remember 7 and all 7 take away. What are you saying? Like, You want me to go there? You want me to go from Genesis to Revelation? Do you want me to go? Hey, girl, go here, man. Yeah, of course. You have a go for children. Don't do that. That's not nice. No blood clot do that, man. Life account down. If my son want me batty, man, me don't have a problem. If my daughter want me sodomite, me don't have a problem. Me gonna love them. Me gonna give them great love, and me gonna have a great mother who loves them and them batty. And every man born with a